This is Screencast number 9 for Professor Morrison's Physics 101 class. The object of the screencast was to find which of the 4 objects that were given to us, a hollow disk, a hollow sphere, a solid disk, and a solid sphere, would fall the furthest and the closest once rolling down a ramp and off of a table. To find this, I used the conservation of energy theorem. I took the moments of inertia that were given to us through equations on page 314 for each of the individual objects and rearranged the equation in order to find the velocity needed. Even without many numbers being given, I was able to find which would go the farthest and which would go the closest. The farthest of the 4 objects would be the hollow disk, as it gave less mass and had a greater velocity and would land the furthest after falling off the ramp. This would then be followed by the hollow sphere, which also had a lower mass than the other 2 remaining objects. The solid disk, as it is smaller than a sphere, would have less mass and travel the 3rd furthest. However, the closest to the ramp once falling off the table would be the solid sphere, as it had a greater mass than the rest of them, therefore a lot less velocity. By plugging it into the conservation of energy and a moment of inertia given, I was able to find these answers.